with another big one.
Another country in the Ring of Fire was hit by a 6.1 magnitude undersea quake on Wednesday afternoon, rattling the southwest of the country. A magnitude 6.4 quake struck Vanuatu's fourth largest island, Erromango, in the Pacific Ocean on Thursday. It struck the center of the island at around 7 in the morning.
And there's a worry that the initial earthquake and along with the aftershocks could put us on the brink of a big one along that fault line. Of course, everyone here is scared of it. I'm scared of it right now, sitting 12 floors above Los Angeles. So it's always scary, but it's really odd that scientists are saying this because it's just such a tight timeline, geologically speaking.
With another big one.
And we need to sort of look at scenarios that take into account the fact that we're going to be seeing more storms, they're going to be more ferocious.
And in Costa Rica, an alert has been issued for an additional threat. Crocodiles roaming inundated areas after rivers and estuaries burst their banks. Forecasters are predicting that what is now a tropical storm churning north could strengthen into a hurricane as it heads for Mexico and the United States, making it the third major storm to hit southern U.S. states within 2 months. Storm surge watches have been issued for Alabama, Mississippi and Louisiana, which bore the brunt of Hurricane Katrina 12 years ago. The mayor of New Orleans is taking no risks.
I have declared a state of emergency for the city of New Orleans. While still uncertain, the latest forecast shows NATE strengthening and producing heavy winds and above average rainfall in the area late Saturday through Sunday. Models are going to change as this event draws closer.
Texas, Florida, Puerto Rico and many Caribbean islands are still reeling from Hurricanes Harvey, Irma and Maria. But the hurricane season isn't over yet. For many, the end of November cannot come too soon.
The so-called Ring of Fire stretches over some 40,000 kilometers along the boundary of the Pacific Plate and the smaller plates that line the edge of the Pacific Ocean. Earthquakes happen as the plates grind up against each other and produce friction.
It's not a matter of if, but when. As Mexico...
The last big one was 315 years ago. We think the cycle time is roughly 240 years. Do the math. We are overdue in this calculation with another big one.